Namaste, allow me to weave a tale of my extraordinary, but rather circuit-filled life. My name is Ranjeet Singh, and yes, I'm the IT hardware specialist, or as some might call me, the hardware Houdini. For over a year now, my life has been a melodious symphony of motherboards and microchips. Picture this, an enigmatic man with a screwdriver in one hand and a shrink-wrapped motherboard in the other, striding across offices, solving mysteries of the technological kind. By mere touch, I diagnose and resolve, like a technophobic Sherlock Holmes, only, I don't wear a deerstalker hat or have a knack for playing the violin. In my endless love affair with technology, I've made acquaintance with desktop and laptop assembly, configuration, and non-judgmental upgrade sessions, even for those outdated CPUs still clinging onto their floppy drives. They say that a tech guru can hear the silent screams of malfunctioning RAM and hard drives, and I'm no different. I tread softly but troubleshoot thoroughly on components like CPU, RAM, HDD/SSD, PSU. Not to mention bringing order to chaos for network devices that rebel, yes, I'm looking at you, stubborn routers and switches. I even moonlight as the printer whisperer, aligning print heads that whine more than a disgruntled office worker, scanning ill-fated documents, and coaxing the reluctant UPS into giving power one more try. Let's face it, friend, in every task there's method to the tech madness, the swift analysis for root cause, the structured approach for systematic testing, and a flair for making things comprehensible for folks less inclined to make small talk with a motherboard. Why, you may wonder, does this chap love a world filled with cables and geek speak? Well, because, in an age of upgrading snafus, I delight in staying au courant with hardware trends and diagnostic novelties. Transforming formidable challenges into bite-sized triumphs is my bliss. Oh, and maintaining harmony with my fellow techies in our technological ballet ensures that every office hums sweetly, and data never dies. Here I stand, exceedingly giddy, ready to vamp up experiences and collaborate with fellow knowledge keepers. Thank you, good people of the hardware haven, for lending an ear to this techie troubadour. Danyavad.